How to transfer money to other banks using Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to send money to another bank, well here is how to transfer funds online with Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from the main dashboard you simply have to click transfer and then select external accounts or to other banks and there you simply have to add the external bank account, and if it's not already linked you simply have to enter the account number, routing number and account type, and with that you simply have to verify the account using the method Regions provides like micro deposits or confirmation codes. And there, once verified, you simply have to enter the amount and select the sending account and choose the transfer date. And with that, you simply have to review all details carefully. And once you're done with it, you simply have to click submit to complete the transfer. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money to other banks using Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.